If you need to reset your SkyBell, start by making sure it's actually powered on. The LED ring on the button should be glowing or pulsing. If there's no light at all, check your doorbell wiring and transformer first, because a reset won't work without power. Once you've confirmed it's powered, locate the small reset hole, usually on the side or bottom of the unit. It's recessed, so you'll need a paper clip or pin. Press and hold that reset button for about 45 to 60 seconds. Keep holding until you see the LED begin flashing rapidly, or change to a different color pattern, which signals that the device is clearing its previous settings. After the light pattern changes, release the button and allow the doorbell a minute to reboot. It should enter setup mode, typically indicated by blinking green or alternating lights depending on the model. From there, open the SkyBell app and go through the setup process again as if it were brand new, reconnecting it to Wi-Fi and completing the pairing steps. Once finished, press the doorbell button and confirm that live video loads in the app to ensure the reset was successful.